Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you how to create a simple calculator using the Python programming language. So our first step is we're going to create a variable. I will just call this num1 and we will set this equal to an integer, and then we will have an input, and then you can have this say pretty much anything along the lines of just enter a number. So I will just do this, and then you will create another one that is the exact same. Just like that. So now we are going to have another one, and this is going to be our function, so I will just call func, and then this is going to be a string and also an input, and have this say something along the lines of what function do you want to use. So I will say plus, minus, times, or divided. You could also have them spell this out if you want. Now we are going to add an if statement, and then we will have function equals equals, and then quotes, and then whatever you are asking the user to input. So in my example I have the plus sign, so I will be doing that one for the first, and then colon colon, then I will say print parentheses num1 plus num2. Now the next is the same, except instead of the plus, I'm going to do minus, and then I will say print num1 minus num2. So now you're going to repeat that for all of the other modifiers that you have. Just like so. It is very important that you have the integer bindings on these first two numbers, because otherwise it will be treated as a string and it will not add, subtract, multiply, or divide properly. And then for this part, it is not as important to have string in front of it, but it is a good practice to get into. So if we run our code, it's going to ask us to enter a number, so let's do 5. And then another number, so let's do 5 as well, and then it will ask us what function we would like to use. So in this case I'm going to multiply, and as we can see 5 times 5 is 25. Now if we run this again and we say 5 and 3, and then we do the subtraction, then we can see that 5 minus 3 is 2. Now again for addition, if we do 100 plus 50, like so, we get 150. And then for a more interesting one, let's say 500 and 210, and then let's divide those. So 500 divided by 210 is 2.38. But if you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.